Welcome back to Quick Helper. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Navigate to Admin bar in your Shopify store. To start, head to your Shopify dashboard and then click on Online Store and select the theme currently applied to your store. Click on the three dots and choose Edit Code. Navigate to Assets and select base.css from the left panel. Scroll to the bottom of your base.css file. Now take a look at your online store. You will see the search bar like in my example. In the base.css code, paste the provided code snippet at the bottom. Once pasted, click Save at the top right. Then click Preview Store to see the changes. You will notice that the Navigate to Admin bar has been removed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.